Welcome to our video on fixing lag issues in Bannerlord and improving your performance. Let's dive right in. First up, it's essential to know your system requirements for optimal performance in Bannerlord. Next, let's adjust your in-game graphics settings. Lowering certain details can significantly improve performance. Don't forget to update your graphics drivers, this can resolve many lag-related issues. Optimizing your display resolution and scaling settings can help reduce strain on your system. Make sure to disable any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Using monitoring tools can help identify where your system is lagging, allowing for targeted fixes. Tuning your CPU and GPU settings can make a world of difference to your gaming experience. Lastly, consider performance-enhancing mods that can improve both stability and frame rates. To wrap up, remember these tips for the best Bannerlord experience, and happy gaming!